Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. If you have a pectus that looks something like this, you shouldn't be exercising to fix your pectus. This kind of pectus is a severe case of pectus that is actually Muffin Syndrome. Now the reason I'm making this video is I've had a few people reach out to me who have a pectus that looks like this, and I told them to go get it checked out to see if they have Muffin Syndrome. That all the people that I told them to get it checked out actually had Muffin Syndrome when their body looks like this. So it's definitely, and Muffin Syndrome is highly correlated with pectus. So if you have a body that looks like this, go get that checked out. And the reason you don't want to be exercising to fix pectus without getting it checked out if you have a body like this is because if you have Muffin Syndrome, there are real health risks associated with high strenuous intensive exercise where you're training with weights to failure, high heart rate, anaerobic exercise. You want to be careful of that. And typically the guidelines for Muffins is you want more aerobic, steady state, lower intensity. So typically, most cases, exercise is going to be amazing. It's going to help you really make your pectus less noticeable. But in some cases, like the case where you've got a very severe pectus and you actually have Muffin Syndrome as well, you don't want to be doing it. It's a huge health risk, and you want to be looking into other, surgical options and other options, okay? It's always worth, guys, if you have pectus, especially if you have a severe pectus, going to a doctor and getting it checked out first things first. If you would like to book a strategy call with me, then you can at FixPectus.com. Then I can meet you, assess your pectus, and then determine what I think is the best approach for you to overcome it.